Good evening, and welcome to Unpacking the Headlines. Tonight, we bring you the latest update on a significant global IT outage affecting major tech companies. In a surprising turn of events, major tech companies CrowdStrike and Microsoft experienced a global IT outage, causing disruptions for users worldwide. This outage has raised concerns about the robustness of cybersecurity measures and the impact of such incidents on global digital infrastructure. According to reports, the outage began early today, affecting various services provided by these companies. Users reported issues with accessing critical applications and services, leading to significant disruptions in business operations and personal usage. The exact cause of the outage remains unclear, but initial investigations suggest a possible cybersecurity incident. CrowdStrike, a leading cybersecurity firm, and Microsoft, one of the largest tech giants, have been working tirelessly to resolve the issues and restore services. Both companies have issued statements acknowledging the outage and assuring users that they are taking all necessary steps to mitigate the impact and prevent future occurrences. In response to the outage, CrowdStrike spokesperson stated, "We are aware of the current service disruptions and are working diligently to identify the cause and restore normal operations. Our top priority is to ensure the security and functionality of our services for all users." Similarly, a representative from Microsoft said, "We have identified an issue affecting our services and are actively working to resolve it. We apologize for the inconvenience caused and appreciate our users' patience as we address this matter." The global IT community has expressed concern over the potential implications of this outage, emphasizing the need for robust cybersecurity measures and resilient infrastructure to prevent such incidents. Experts suggest that this incident could prompt a re-evaluation of current cybersecurity practices and encourage the development of more advanced solutions to safeguard digital assets. As the situation unfolds, we will continue to monitor and provide updates on the resolution of this global IT outage. Stay tuned for more information on this developing story. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest news and updates.